Dzień dobry and welcome again to another episode of Mango Daddy Kitchen. This time I'm gonna make pasta with salmon and vodka sauce. So if I have to translate it in Polish, it will be something like Kremowy Makaron. Z łososiem I sosem z wódkiem. If I said it correct. Okay? So, it's very easy. I use a mix of the fresh salmon and some smoked salmon a little bit to get that extra kick of the taste. Obviously, and it's fresh cream, obviously vodka, garlic, and finely chopped onion. So let's begin. So we start with chopping the onion. I have the salmon here ready. I'm gonna chop it into small pieces. Once it touches the hot pan, it will reduce drastically. So that's why I'm using a whole piece. A little from the smoked, just for the extra taste. So obviously I'm gonna use Polish vodka since I'm in Poland. Okay, let's start sweating the onion a bit. Some crushed garlic. We have the salmon, the łososiem, some pepper, a little salt, not exaggerated, we don't want it overly salty. Some fish seasoning. Now cream. And the sauce is practically ready. Now at the stage that it's done, the sauce, you could add, if you want, some caviar, just a little bit, because otherwise you will taint the whiteness of the sauce. While the pasta is boiling, I prepare some chives to chop. Okay, so it's time to plate. So I have the pasta ready. We put the chives on, a bit of black pepper, and a bit of pure Maltese olive oil. And there you have it. Salmon pasta with vodka. Kremowy makaron z łososiem I sosem z wódki. Z wódce. Wódkie. So, I hope that you like my pasta with the salmon and Polish vodka. I thank you as usual. Please like, share and subscribe. And I see you in another episode hopefully. Cześć!